This is a brief tutorial on acid and molecular nomenclature. Acid nomenclature. We build the names for our acids from the name convention for the anion. So if we have an anion like chloride, which ends in IDE, when we have the acid form of chloride, our hydrochloric acid, it's hydrochloroic, hydrochloric. If the anion ends with ate, like chlorate, perchlorate, or sulfate, we don't put the hydro at the beginning, and we just call it chloric acid. And finally, if our anion ends with ite, and we turn it into the acid, we end with the suffix us, chlorous acid. So let's do some examples. HCl, hydrochloric. HNO3, this is the nitrate anion, so this is nitric acid. H3PO4, this is the phosphate polyatomic anion, phosphate, so this is phosphoric acid. H2SO4, SO4 2- is the sulfate anion, so H2SO4 is sulfuric acid. And finally, HBRO, BRO is the anion hypobromite, and so this is hypobromous acid. Let's now talk briefly about the nomenclature for binary molecular compounds. Binary meaning two compounds, and the simple rules are that the name of the element further to the left in the periodic table or lower in the same group is usually written first, and I'll show you an example where that's not the case. And then second, a prefix is used to denote the number of atoms in each element. And here in table 2.6 are the prefixes that we will use. So let's do some examples. SO2, sulfur dioxide. PCl5, phosphorus, penta, there's the 5, chloride. Cl2O3, and here's the contradiction to the usually written first part. The chlorine is written first in Cl2O3, and this would be dichlorine trioxide. 2 chlorines, 3 oxygens.